Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to Unbound Learners Pre-K. Happy Monday! How was your weekend? Did you get to do anything fun? All right, let's get started with our good morning song. Make your arms into a circle out front like this. Raise them up high, then back out in front of you. Are you ready to sing with me? Here we go. Good morning, dear earth. Good morning, dear sun. Good morning, dear rocks and flowers, everyone. Good morning, dear beast and birds in the trees. Good morning to you and good morning to me. All right, let's move on to our calendar and weather right behind me. Look at this. It's a brand new month. We started a new month last week. Do you remember what the new month is? The new month is January, and today is the 4th. So that means that we can move our chip from the number 1, which was the last time we met, all the way to 3 to the number 4, which is today. So today is January 4th. We also have a brand new year. Do you remember what the year is? 2021. Today is January 4th, 2021. All right, let's hold up 7 fingers for the Days of the Week song. Very good. Let me see your 7 fingers. Here we go. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. If yesterday was Sunday, that means that today is Monday. You're right. And tomorrow will be Tuesday. Very good, friends. But today is Monday. Today is Monday. Today is Monday. Today is Monday all day long. Today is Monday. Today is Monday. Today is Monday all day long. Let's move back up to the top for our season. What's the season? Do you see the picture that I have on my circle? The snowflakes are falling, so that means that the season is winter. And down here we have the weather, so that means that it's time for our weather song. Will you sing with me? Here we go. What's the weather? What's the weather? Can you tell? Can you tell? Is the sun shining? Is the rain falling? Can you tell? Can you tell? Right now where I live, it's a sunny day outside. There's a lot of snow on the ground and it's so cold out. So even though the sun is shining, the temperature is so cold that the snow will not start melting anytime soon. What's the weather like at your house? Is there a lot of snow on the ground also? Did you get to play outside in the snow? Or maybe you live in a place where there is no snow and it's warm. That's really fun to play outside there too. All right, friends, since it's a new week, that means that we have a new letter of the week to learn. Does anybody know what sound this letter makes? It goes like this. S. Pretend that you're a snake and go S. Very good. Speaking of snakes, this letter kind of looks like a snake. Do you know what letter this is called? This is a lowercase s. And S says S. Let's do that sound together. S. This is the letter S. I wonder what I'll find in my number and letter box today. Let's see. Are you ready for your first hint? All right, this is a type of utensil that you would find in the kitchen. I'll give you another hint. It's used for scooping cereal or soup. Do you know what I'm talking about? Here it comes. Do you see what it is? It's a spoon. A spoon starts with the letter S. We also have a new number of the week. Do you know what number this is? You're right, this is the number 5. Can you hold up 5 fingers with me? Look at that. I used a whole hand to show the number 5. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The number 5. And let's see what I have to represent the number 5. Oh, look at this. I have 5 twigs. Will you count them with me? Let me spread them out so you can see them a little bit better. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The number of the week is 5. So it's a brand new year, a brand new month, and that means it's also time to start a brand new unit. This month, we're going to be talking all about transportation. Can you say that word with me? Transportation. And do you know what that means? Transportation is a way for someone or something to get from here to there. Can you think of any types of transportation? Ooh, that is a good one. And did you know that there's all different ways to travel? You could travel by land, you could travel by sea, you could travel by air, and even by animal. But this week, we are going to be learning about different ways to travel by land. Can you think of any? Ooh, a scooter is a really fun way to travel by land. What if I wanted to visit my friend who lived just down the street and I didn't want to walk? How could I travel there? You're right, a bicycle. But make sure that you ask a grown-up before you use your bike. And always make sure that you wear a helmet. Very good. Now what if I wanted to visit a different friend, but this friend lived across town? How could I travel there? I was thinking the same thing. I could ask a grown-up to drive me there in a car. Have you noticed that these different types of vehicles that we've been talking about are all different ways to travel by land? All right, now I'm thinking about a vehicle that says woo woo and moves very, very quickly. Do you know what I'm thinking of? That's right, a train. And do you know the name of a train that travels mostly underground and is found in a big city? It's called a subway. I have a really silly song about a train to sing with you. Would you like to hear it? All right, it goes like this. A peanut sat on a railroad track. His heart was all a-flutter. Around the bend came number 10. Choo-choo peanut butter, squish. Would you like to sing that one more time with me? If you don't know the words yet, you could just follow around with my hand movements. All right, let's start again. A peanut sat on a railroad track. His heart was all a-flutter. Around the bend came number 10. Choo-choo peanut butter, squish. That is a silly song. All right, friends, it's time to see our work tray activity for the day. Are you ready? All right, let's go check it out. For today's work, you will need different colored construction paper. I used red, orange, yellow, green, and blue. But you can use any colors that you have at home. I suggest using at least 5 different colors. Then I lined each color up next to each other, just like a train. Now go on a hunt around your house and try to find different things to match each color. Let me show you a few things that I found at my house, and you can tell me where they would go. So the first thing that I found was this magnet tile. Where do you think it would go on the train? Over here? No. This is a blue magnet tile, so this would go in the blue train car, right at the end, the caboose. Now, what about this? I found this piece of corn in my son's pretend kitchen. Where would this go? Oh, yep, the yellow corn goes on the yellow train car. Now, what about this feather? Where would this feather go? Over here? No, we're looking to match the red feather with the red train car. Here we go, right at the front. Next, I found this color spoon. What color do you see? Orange. There's only 2 empty train cars left. Would it go over here or over here? You're right. The orange spoon goes in the orange train car. And look, I have 1 empty green train car. And I found this green glove. There we go. Our train car is all full. The best part of this work is that you can keep going and going until you have filled up each train car with all different color items that you found around your house. Let's get back to circle time. Welcome back to circle time, friends. Remember, once circle time is done, it will be your turn to do the work tray activity. Because it's a new month, we started a new unit. Do you remember what we're going to be learning about for the next couple of weeks? It's a long word, and it starts with t, t, t. Do you remember what it's called? Transportation. Let's say that word together. Transportation. Now there are all different types of ways to travel, but this week we are going to be talking about land transportation. What's your favorite way to travel by land? Ooh, that sounds exciting. My favorite way to travel by land is with a bicycle. Thanks for learning with me today, friends. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and you can also check me out on outschool.com for live and interactive classes. We have one more song to sing together before we go. Wave goodbye like this. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. I'll see you next time. Bye, everybody. See you tomorrow.